Oh, got him. This week was crazy busy. We had family in town from the Pacific Northwest. My brother and his wife, their kids and grandkids. They all came to town last Sunday night and they were here the whole week. They just left this morning and we had a blast. Before they got here Sunday night, we had our evening church service and it was the senior recognition night. And we recognize our seniors in high school that are graduating. And right after the evening service, the senior high had their end of year banquet. We were so thankful to be able to be a part of that this year, celebrating with the seniors as they move on to the college group. And of course I had my camera with me, and McKenna got a hold of my camera for a little bit, and whenever she has the camera, as you've seen, it's usually pretty funny.
Hey guys! We just got done with Madison's banquet. There she is, she's so pretty.
Is this like live right now?
It's not like a live scene, but it's like recorded.
Okay, good.
Usually you take a
picture like
picture
this.
by the car.
Yes! Like, yes! Literally have no life. None. Zip. Zero.
I feel like your banana vlog needs some life.
My banana vlog? It's not a banana vlog.
Watch this.
Oh boy.
It's a boat. Look at that. And just look, you can edit yourself in there. Look at, I did it to me. For example, we have Ashley here. She just wants to ride in a banana boat.
Alright, so the Northwest Shoalies are like a few blocks away. Danelle is very excited. I'm very excited too. But probably not nearly as excited as Danelle has been all day for them to arrive at our house. And the moment is almost here. Are you excited, Zeus? Are you excited too? Are you excited too? So excited for them to walk through the door, Zeus, huh?
They're here!
Because they're getting their stuff.
Stuff later.
Hello! It's vlogging.
I thought we were gonna be
Oh,
Wait,
vlog wars.
I'm not going first. Let's just...
She's like doesn't care about any of you guys.
I need Jesse! I don't get to see Jesse.
Monday we hung out with the family, and then Monday night we went to a park nearby our house with the tennis court, and we played on the playground for a little bit with the girls, and then we brought our tennis rackets and we had some fun playing some tennis. The girls had a lot of fun on the playground. You just ran off the swing. Got to the zoo. We're gonna spend the day at the Omaha Zoo. We're all here, ready to get rained on. Hannah's back there vlogging in her vlog. You should subscribe to their channel. I'll link to them below.
Okay, Jeff. We've been at the zoo like 20 minutes and Victoria's already asking me to carry her. She's got a long day ahead of her. She's already tired. We're leaving the zoo now. We had fun. Was it fun?
Yes.
It's a little chilly, but the rain stayed away. Gonna head back to Lincoln now. Yeah, Burr is right. It's really chilly out here.
Yep.
Apparently this is where the birds park. It's always weird when I'm walking with my wife and I get a text message from her. She's right next to me. What's up with that? I'm like right here. I'm right here. Where did we park? How are we gonna find our car in this parking lot? Oh, there it is. Found it. Phew. All right, it's Thursday now, and I had to go into work for a little bit this morning to get some things done. And I got those things done, and now I am going to meet up with the rest of the gang, and we're going to eat lunch, and then we're going to go and ride horses. Well, not all of us. The little girls, Caitlin and Elena, are going to ride some horses today at Carrie's house, so should be fun. Oh, look at those horses here. Horses!
Look at them all. Aww.
So we're getting closer to the end of the week. On Friday night, we took everybody to our church after it closed, and we played Nerf bow and arrows, which you saw in my last vlog, I believe. And we added a little twist with a smoke machine in the gymnasium, and it made it pretty fun. It also made it kind of creepy, but we had a lot of fun. Hi Kevin, sorry about the small little fire in the trash can. It's mostly out now. Last thing for this week's vlog is Saturday. The rest of my siblings came to town so they could see Steve and his family as well. Steve's my brother. I don't know if I said his name yet, but that's his name. They came to town so they could see Steve also, and we had a good time eating lunch out in a park by a lake in town. And it's beautiful weather, had a great time visiting. Took a walk around the lake and just had a good time. Saturday night we all went downtown and ate at Lead Belly, had some delicious food there, and then we took a walk in the Haymarket to work off all the food that we ate.